Today, July 22, marks National Flag Day, a day to celebrate the adoption of India's national flag, the Tiranga, which was officially adopted on July 22, 1947, just before India's independence on August 15, 1947. This day emphasizes the flag's significance as a symbol of India's unity, integrity, and sovereignty. The Tiranga consists of 3 horizontal stripes, saffron on the top representing courage, white in the middle signifying peace, and green at the bottom denoting growth. At the center is the Ashoka Chakra, a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes, symbolizing progress and the eternal wheel of law. In 2002, the Flag Code of India was updated to allow the flag to be displayed year-round, provided it is done respectfully. Today, schools, government offices, and the community groups hold special events to honor the flag and remind everyone of its meaning. It's a day to celebrate our unity and remember the sacrifices made for our freedom. Wishing everyone a meaningful National Flag Day from the Daily Salar Digital team.